I'm standing outside City of Westminster Magistrate's Court just after attending the trial of 55 Greenpeace demonstrators who in October climbed above the Houses of Parliament to protest against the lack of political and party interest in ecological environmental issues. The defence barrister quoted the comment of Lord Hoffman, which pointed out that the proud traditions of protest in this country included non-violent demonstration. And in fact, in many situations, non-violent demonstration was important in terms of determining public policy, and found that in the long term, people were justified in terms of their own actions. Also quoted in this particular case were comments by Ed Miliband. So as I was saying before I was been asked to move on, that the magistrates took notice of the comments by Ed Miliband about the need for popular demonstrations, popular movements to promote environmental and ecological issues, and even David Cameron appearing in front of the Greenpeace banner and noted. Equally, the magistrate took into account the European Commission of Human Rights, noting that non-violent civil disobedience was part and parcel of the democratic process and needed to be understood as such. The prosecution noted that no disruption had occurred with regard to the parliamentary business, no interference took place with regard to pedestrians or even traffic. There was no damage and everybody behaved very well. Police noted all defendants, once they'd come down from the roof, put themselves forward for arrest. All of that taken into consideration in the judge's summing up, he pointed out that this particular offence could carry a 6-month prison sentence with a £1,000 fine. And in doing so, in his summing up, he took into account everything that had been said and made a decision that there should be a conditional discharge for all 55 demonstrators, who would each be asked to pay £100 cost. The conditional discharge was based on 6 months brief not to take part in any further demonstrations of this nature for that period. If they were to, then this case would be reopened for them individually. The outcome has been very much applauded by Greenpeace people taking part, and they feel their outcomes have been achieved to raise the profile of environmental issues facing the country in a non-violent civil disobedience action. This is Bruce Clarke, Swindon 105.5 from the City of Westminster Magistrates Court.